takes time to delete all this stuff. This is example 4. Okay, let's look something. X divided by x squared minus 4 cube dx. Again, stop this video, think about what we can substitute, and let's continue. If I take u as a x squared minus 4, and I found that du divided by dx, I will have 2x. Then du is equal to dx. 2x, dx will be du divided by 2x. Now I will write it as a x times, this will be u cube. So dx, I will write du divided by 2x. Then it will take each other. That will be, let's go to du divided by u cube times 2. So I can take out this 1/2 out of integral, which is du divided by u cube, which makes 1/2 u negative 3 cube. So again, I will apply my power rule, which is our n is -3, which will make us -2 divided by -2. So, and I can write it 1/2 times u over -2 divided by -2, which is u over -2 divided by -4. So our u is x squared minus 4, which makes x squared minus 4 -2 divided by -4 plus 6. Okay, let's do something with, let's make something a little bit harder and do something with trigonometric function and a little bit harder examples in next 2 examples. Let's say we have sine 2x over e sine x squared. So how we can which we can substitute with u? Stop this video and think about it. But before starting doing our u substitution method, we should simplify it. So if we have good trigonometry knowledge, we know that sine 2x is equal to 2 cosine x sine x. If I wrote u is equal to sine x sine square x, so du divided by dx will be, let's find what it will be, because I didn't. Okay, if we write sine x times sine x, if I found derivative of this, so that will be sine x derivative times sine x plus sine x times sine x derivative. So it makes sine x cosine x, cosine is sine x. That will be 2 sine x cosine x. So we know the sine x derivative is cosine x. So that will have 2 sine x cosine x. So here the x will be du divided by 2 sine x cosine x. So we just read this part. After that, I can write it something like this is equal to, so we can write it sine x as a 2 cosine x sine x times v to the power of u times that is dx. So I forgot to write dx. So instead of dx, we just write du divided by 2 sine x cosine x. So we just remove these two things. We will have e to the power du. So we can write eu du. We apply exponential rule. Which is an integral of u is equal to the power of u divided by ln a, which is where a is equal to e. You know that that will be ln e, which is 1. So we will have e to the power of u, u to the power of u. So e to the power of u, we substitute u as a sine x squared, so that will be e to the power of sine x squared plus c. That will be our answer. Now let's look at the last example. It takes too much time to write those things. And let's just make it as example 6, which is x to the square root of 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, if you watch like all the videos, so you can immediately think that we can substitute 2x plus 1 as a u, okay, and we will have du divided by dx will be 2. Okay, so far it is good that dx is equal to du divided by 2. Okay, but we will have something like this here. What we can do about it? So we can write it u minus 1 divided 2 is equal to x. U minus 1, so is equal to u minus 1 is equal to 2x, and 2x divided by 2 will be equal to x. Now we can write something. Like we'll write it is equal to u minus 1 divided by 2 times under the square root of u times dx is equal to du divided by 2. So we have u minus 1 times under the square root of u times du divided by 4, which we can take out 1 over 4 out of integral, which is u minus 1 under the square root of u du. So we can, this is u to the power of 1 over 2, 1 over 4 times u minus 1 times u to the power of 1 over 2 du, which makes us u to the 1 over, 2 over 3 minus u to the power of 1 over 2 du. Then we can apply our linearity, which we already take out 1 over 4 out of integral, so we just keep it like u to the power 3 over 2 du minus u over 1 over 2 du. After that, we can, let me just read this part. So integral of u to the power 3 divided by 2 du is equal to u to the 3 over 2 plus 1, so 2 plus 1 is u to the power of 5 divided by 2 times 5 divided by 2 divided by 5. And what about this one? So it is equal to u to the power of 3 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 3. So when, okay, we have this. So after that, when we write this, that will be equal to 1 over 4. So this is 2u divided by 10. When we multiply it by 4, so it will equal minus u to the power 3 divided by 2, 6 and plus C. That's our final answer. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can type in the comment which part is unclear for you, and let's write to the comment how many of them you got correct. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends so many people will benefit from this video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorials.